Here's some breaking news that's coming in. AIMIM MP Owaisi praises riot accused. Owaisi praises AIMIM's Tahir Hussain. Owaisi says Tahir fought for the people of Delhi. He says Tahir was made to rot in jail. Owaisi justifies fielding Tahir Hussain for contesting polls. Tahir Hussain is AIMIM candidate from Mustafabad. Let's listen in to what Asaduddin Owaisi said.
हमारी इज्जतों को कोई पामाल करना चाह रहा था। उस ऐसे नाजुक वक्त पर जनाब ताहिर हुसैन साहब ने आगे बढ़कर गरीबों की जान और माल की हिफाजत के लिए अपनी जिम्मेदारी को समझकर उस जिम्मेदारी को उठाया। मजलिस ने कोई गलती नहीं की ताहिर हुसैन को अपना उम्मीदवार कैंडिडेट बनाकर। कैसे केजरीवाल 6 महीने जेल में रहा, चीफ मिनिस्टर रहते हुए जेल में रहा, कोई उंगली नहीं उठाता उसके ऊपर। बीजेपी में ऐसे कई लोग हैं जिन पर संगीन से संगीन इल्जामात हैं, मगर पूरे दिल्ली प्रदेश में सिर्फ 2 असेंबली सीट से मजलिस अपना उम्मीदवार उतारती है तो तमाम के पेट में दर्द शुरू हो जाता है। जो साबिका चीफ मिनिस्टर केजरीवाल है और नरेंद्र मोदी है, ये हकीकी मानों में 2 भाई हैं, इनमें कोई फर्क नहीं है।
I'm going to go over to my colleague Shreya Chatterjee, who's joining us for the broadcast for more on this. Shreya, we see Tahir Hussain is a controversial candidate that's been fielded by the AIMIM. There's been a lot of uproar over his candidature given the fact that he was one of the riot accused, and now we see that Owaisi has backed him, saying that he was made to rot in jail. What more can you tell us?
Well, Chetna, precisely what we're seeing is a very high voltage election that's on in the national capital. Asaduddin Owaisi, obviously, because he was batting for the AIMIM candidate Tahir Hussain, he clearly suggested that the parallels that are being drawn and Tahir Hussain being attacked for his alleged investigation and for being one of the accused in the Delhi riots, he's basically suggesting that Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, even the likes of Amanatullah Khan, they have all gone to jail. Most of the Aam Aadmi Party top brass has been under the investigation in the liquor excise policy. Then why is there a problem with Tahir Hussain? He's also gone on to the extent of suggesting that Tahir Hussain in fact had helped his own people when they were in trouble during the riots itself, and that's precisely why the community should be voting for him. He also drew a parallel suggesting that the Aam Aadmi Party, precisely Arvind Kejriwal and Narendra Modi, are brothers. So he's precisely just batting for his candidate, wishing that the AIMIM could secure some votes and probably even get a lead in the Mustafabad seat, and that's exactly why we see the kind of attack that is coming from Asaduddin Owaisi towards the Aam Aadmi Party top brass.
Absolutely, Shreya. Thank you for bringing us those details on that story.